I'm a Lowe's partner, and I've received a gift certificate to put towards the purchase of this. And I've been testing it out for a month, and I really, really wished I had bought a battery-powered mower a long time ago. Hope you enjoy this little video, and don't forget, support the channel by clicking the link in the description to purchase your own Ego Power Mower. Thank you. I wondered whether or not this would have enough pulling power, and I can tell you, this thing will drag me up the hill. Well, this thing is built tough. It rolled all the way down that hill, about 32 to 35 degree slope. It rolled over twice, landed right side up. Battery stayed intact, the top didn't open, everything works. I've been completely thrilled with this, and seeing how it held up after that little crash just seals the deal. I love this. Absolutely couldn't recommend it any higher.